Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any machine component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. After modeling this component in NX, the component will look like this. This is our final component. Now we'll recreate this component using NX. To model this component, first go to the file, new. Here choose model. Our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter. Specify the file name, specify the location where you want to save, then save OK. Now we'll start modeling it. I'm going to start with the base plate. Go to the sketch. I'm taking the front plane, save OK. This sketch I'm going to draw it. Take the rectangle, just draw the rectangle, press the roller to confirm. Now this length is 85. Do you want to scale the entire sketch? Yes. Press the roller to confirm. The height is 18. Press the roller, press enter and press the roller to confirm. Now still it is not defined completely. Further, just go to the symmetric, this point and this axis, say OK. Now it is fully defined. Finish the sketch, extrude. Here make it symmetric value. The total extrusion is 140. Enter the value, press enter, say OK. Now we have created this base plate. Then we'll create this feature. For that, just rotate it. Here we need to make it. Just go to the sketch, select the surface, say OK. First we'll start with this circle. The circle with the diameter is 55. First draw the circle in a random location. Press the roller to confirm. Then define the circle. The diameter is 55. Say yes. Now specify the center distance. From the left side to the center distance is 50 and the height is from top surface to center distance is 100. So from here to here it is 50 and from here to this height which is 100. Now we have defined this circle. Similarly, just draw a circle here. The circle with the diameter is, here you can see, circle with diameter is 40 and the center distance from height is 38 and from here is it is 20. From here to here which is from here to here which is 20. Now we have defined this circle also. Then just connect the lines. Here you just make a tangent line. From this point to it is tangent. Then go for the continuous line. From here just make it a vertical line. Press the roller to confirm. Here just connect it and connect the one horizontal line. Press the roller to confirm. Here just click it here. Connect with the tangent line. Then close the sketch. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Here we need to define it. This should be a horizontal line and this should be a horizontal line, vertical line. Then just trim the unwanted segments. These two are not required. Just close it. Here now you can see this is fully defined. Now go for the trim again. Remove this one as well as remove this one. Just close it. Now the sketch is fully defined. Go for finish sketch. Then extrude. It is going in the wrong direction. Change this direction to here. The total extrusion length is 12 mm. Save OK. Now we have created here. Now here you can see this cylinder has a 36 mm length. Symmetric to here, but this cylinder is 24 mm length, one sided. Now just make a center plane here. Go to a plane, Here there are different options. Go for the bisection, select the surface and select the surface. Now you can able to get to the midplane at the center. Now just create a sketch here. Go to the sketch, just rotate it here. This is the plane we need to choose. Say OK. Now take a circle. Here just move your cursor to the edge of the circle, you will get the center point. And make a circle here. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now the diameter of the circle is 55. Now finish sketch. Extrude. Make here as a symmetric value. Here it's not subtract, to make it unite. Total extrusion length is 36. Press enter. Say OK. Now we have created cylinder here. Here we need to create a cylinder with a diameter of 40 with 24 mm, one sided. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Take the circle. Make sure you are in the entire assembly. The center point. And here. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have created this circle. Finish the sketch. Now you can see the circle is created here. It has to be extruded up to the length of 24. Go to extrusion. Change the direction. This one is 24. Say OK. Now this cylinder also we have created. Now we have done all the add material features. Now we will go for the remove material features. First we will start with this cut. Go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Take the rectangle. Just draw a simple rectangle. Here you can see the dimension they have specified. From here to here the distance is 18 mm. Similarly from here to here the dimension is 18 mm. Press the roller to confirm. The height is 3 mm. Escape. Select this line. Define the height of 3 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Finish the sketch. Extrude. Just change the direction. Here make it subtract. And here we make it until next. Say OK. Now we have created the sketch. Now we just want to create these two holes. For that, go to the sketch again. Select the surface. Say OK. Now take a circle. Here the diameter of the circle is, here you can see two holes with dia 16. The diameter is 16. Say yes. Here you can see from here to here the center distance is 30 mm. Press the roller to confirm. Similarly from here to here the distance is 35 mm. Press the roller to confirm. The same sketch has to be mirrored here. For the take this line. Take this line from this point to vertical line. Press the roller to confirm. This is just specify some value. Press the roller to confirm. Make it construction. Now select this circle. Go for the mirror. Select the center line as this one. Save OK. Now we have created this hole also. Here you can see sketch is fully defined. Go for finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Here we make it until next. Now it is creating a proper hole. Subtract. Save OK. Now we have created this hole. Then now this one we have done. These two holes we have done. Then go for these two holes. For that we can directly use standard holes. Move your cursor to the edge of the circle. You will get the center hole at the center of the circle. The diameter of the hole is, here you can see 18 mm. 18. Normal to face. Until next. Subtract. Just apply it. Then similarly move your cursor to the edge of this hole. This hole diameter is 30 mm. Normal to face. Until next. Subtract. Save OK. Then finally we just want to create a round with a radius of 25 mm. For that, go for the edge blend. Select this edge one. The radius is 25. Tangent curve. Just save OK. Now we have created all the features. Just right click here. Go for orient isometric view. Now we have created this full component. Next tutorial we will come up with a new component. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.